Ever wondered how the right motor can revolutionize your farm's ventilation? Meet the HSP motor, designed for efficiency and durability. With its compact design and advanced cooling system, the HSP motor saves space while keeping noise and vibration to a minimum. Engineered for high performance, our motor boasts superior energy efficiency and a lifespan that outlasts the competition. The secret? A robust bearing system and a design that leverages the fan's own airflow for cooling, ensuring reliability in any condition. Transform your farm's ventilation today with HSP motor. Ready to see the difference? Contact us now for a solution tailored to your needs.